them sending one. Thank you. Morning to all. My name is Sevia. I study LKG. Favorite color violet, indigo, fruity, yellow, orange, and thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Aisha Safi. I study LKG. Fruit name apple, banana, orange, mango, strawberry. Thank you. Morning to all. My name is Ifan Mariam. I am studying LKG at Stanford. Jump, clap, eat, drink, push, pull, sleep, drink. Thank you. So one. My name is Yuvaneshwa. I am studying LKG. After that, to teach A for art, B for beer, C for cake, D for dessert, E for elephant, F for frog, G for goat, H for happy, I for Ebola, J for Ragnar, K for kids, K for ladybird, M for mother, N for nuts, O for oven, P for chocolate, Q for king, R for roaster, S for soup, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for water, W for